Why network marketing and why Youngevity? Those are the questions that are asked of me all the time. I was previously an airplane salesman, a corporate airplane salesman, and after that I was a stockbroker. And because I had a problem with alcohol in 1988, I now have 30 years sobriety, I had to reinvent myself into a new career. And there were no open doors back then. So the last house on the block was network marketing, and even though I went into it kicking and screaming, I had to make it work. I had that gift of desperation. And as a result, I embarked on this career that I did not want to be embarking on. And it has been the greatest thing that ever happened to me, especially when I found Youngevity. And I have a 30-year experience in this profession, and I know my way around the track. I've been on the board of the MLMIA, which is the Multi-Level Marketing International Association, and I've been on the board of the Association of Network Marketing Professionals. So I see most of the companies, I see most of the products, I see most of the leadership that comes over to try to figure out a way to be in this space. And I chose Youngevity. Youngevity didn't choose me. And I chose it because of the experience of the management. Dr. Joel Wallach from Dead Doctors Don't Lie. I mean, he is an icon in nutrition. His son, Steve, works equally as hard as his dad, and he works on the business side of being a professional network marketer. They were smart enough to go public. And the reason they did that was because they wanted to be transparent. And they realized that if they looked at the big companies across the landscape, they were all multi-product companies, they were public, they were international, and Youngevity wanted to be that. So they built their company to be that big company one of these days. And right now they're at the very beginning of that. They're less than $200 million. They're open up internationally, but that footstep is just getting giant. It isn't giant yet. And this is the time when people really, really can make an impact. And for me, Youngevity, I've been with them for 20 years. I've been in and out of the company over that amount of time a little bit. But at the end of the day, this has been my plan A, my plan B, and my plan C. These people, the Wallachs, the family of Youngevity, the management team, Dave Brisky, those people are absolutely rock solid in their integrity and also in their commitment to us. So here's what I'm going to tell you. Network marketing is a great profession. But even better than that is Youngevity inside of the network marketing space. This is your chance to get involved with a company that has got over 1,000 products, 7 verticals. Everybody comes in via something called a mega CEO pack that has something in that called the 90 for life, which is completely revolves around Dr. Wallach and his message of 90 essential nutrients, especially the minerals that make our bodies run. So all of us come in that way, and then we all choose inside, once we get into Youngevity, which vertical we want to participate in. There's coffee, there's business services, there's skincare, there's makeup, there's memory keeping. There's so many things like that for you to choose from that you don't have to pigeonhole your passion. You get to choose what you're going to be passionate about, and you get to let people choose that same way as long as they're coming in that portal called 90 for life. You are going to love your Youngevity experience. I am sure of it. We are true to the core network marketers. We are true to the core trying to change the world through great nutrition. We are true to the core trying to help people change their financial station in life. And nobody's going to tell you it's easy. Nobody's going to tell you it happens tomorrow. This is a legacy company. It's built for the long term. It's built for me. It's built for my kids. It's built for my grandkids. And what I wish for you is that you'll look at us from that spot where you can see yourself working really, really hard right now so you can give your heirs, your children, your grandchildren, a really, really big legacy to follow you behind on. So that's my goal for you. That's actually my goal for me. I want that badly for you. And I know that the person that got you this video wants the same thing. So whatever you do, pay attention and go do more due diligence to see what Youngevity is really about. Thank you.